Welcome to the KR Lakkam CBSE online class. Okay. Previous class we discussed about crops. Okay. And also type of crops. What is the means of crops? Crop means when a same kind of plants grown on a large scale but particular time period is called as a crops. Okay. But these crops are depend upon a type of soil and availability of water and also climatic conditions. Okay. Based on these, crops are classified into two types. One is a rabi crops, another one is a kharif crops. Is it clear? Okay. What is the means of rabi crops? Rabi crops means crops grown from November to April in winter season is called as rabi crops. Okay. These type of crops do not depend upon a monsoon rains because these type of crops no need of more water. Is it clear about rabi crops? Okay. Next, kharif crops. Kharif crops grown from June to October in summer season is called as a kharif crops. But these type of crops depend upon a monsoon rains. These type of crops need a more water. Is it clear? What is the means of rabi crops? What is the means of kharif crops? Okay. Also we discussed about agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture means the practice of growing a plants on a large scale is called as agriculture. Is it clear? Okay. Also we discussed about which things need to grow a good crops. Which things are now about farmer regarding to agriculture. Okay. These are farmer should have a knowledge about the soil. Farmer must have a knowledge about the type of soil and climatic condition and season for growing different crops. Is it clear? Okay. Next, farmer should mix the right amount of fertilizer in the soil to increase its nutrients. What is the means of fertilizer? Fertilizer means it is a substance to add to the soil to increase its fertility. So we all need a nutrition. So we get a nutrition from the different type of fruits and vegetables. Like that, the soil also need a nutrition. So farmer add some right amount of fertilizer to that particular soil. Okay. These particular soil, the farmer add one particular substance to soil. It increases the fertility of soil. It gives the nutrition to plant. Is called as a fertilizer. Okay. Is it clear about fertilizer? Fertilizer is a substance. It is added to the soil to increase the soil fertility. Okay. It also gives the nutrition to soil. But farmer should add a right amount of fertilizer. Farmer should mix the right amount of fertilizer in the soil to increase its nutrients. Okay, nutrients. Is it clear? Plants need nutrients. Plants need a water and air. So many nutrients, but it is grown to the soil. So farmers should add some substances to soil. It increases the fertility of soil. But farmer add a right amount of fertilizer to soil. Okay. Farmer also have a good knowledge about amount of fertilizer. Which amount good for soil. Okay. Farmer should mix the right amount of fertilizer in the soil to increase its nutrients. Okay. Two kinds of fertilizers are used for this purpose. Two types of fertilizers used for increase the fertility of soil. These are, one is the organic, another one is the inorganic. Two types of fertilizer are there. One is the organic fertilizer. Organic. Another one is the inorganic. Fertilizer. 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 What is the means of fertilizer? It is a substance to add. It is added to the soil to increase the fertility of soil. These fertilizers give a nutrition to soil. Okay. Plants get a nutrition to the soil. Is it clear about fertilizer? Fertilizer means it is a substance to added to the soil to increase that fertility of soil. Is it clear about fertilizer? Okay. Two types of fertilizer are there. These are organic fertilizer and another one is inorganic fertilizer. Okay. What is the means of organic fertilizer? Organic and inorganic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers are manures. It is also called as a manures. What is M-A-N-U-R-E-S, manures. Okay. Is it clear? Manures are natural fertilizers obtained from a cow dung, dead and decaying plants. Organic fertilizers are natural fertilizers. It is created by nature only. Okay. Organic fertilizers are natural fertilizers. These are available from cow dung with the waste of cow. Okay. Organic fertilizers are created by nature. So these are natural fertilizers which are available from cow dung and dead and decaying plants. Dead plants and decaying plants. Satta mattu koleta plants. And animals are vegetable matter. Also ಸತ್ತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಇದು ನಾವು ಪಡಿಬೋದು. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ಸ್. Organic fertilizers are natural fertilizers obtained from cow dung, dead and decaying plants, animals or vegetable matter. Is it clear about organic fertilizer? Okay. Fertilizers, two types of fertilizers are there. One is organic fertilizer, another one is inorganic fertilizer. Organic fertilizers means these are the natural fertilizers. These type of fertilizers created by nature only. So these type of fertilizer are obtained from cow dung or dead and decaying plants, animals. Okay. Is it clear about organic fertilizer? Okay. Next one. Inorganic fertilizers. Inorganic fertilizers generally made up of chemicals. Inorganic fertilizers are created by man-made fertilizers. Inorganic fertilizers are man-made fertilizers are generally made up of chemicals. These type of fertilizers are made up of chemicals, okay, such as urea, nitrate and sulfate. Inorganic fertilizers are man-made fertilizers. These inorganic fertilizers made by chemicals. These are urea, nitrate and sulfate. Okay. Is it clear about the inorganic fertilizers? Okay. Fertilizers means it is a substance to add in the soil to increase the fertility of soil. Okay. Two types of fertilizers are there. One is the organic fertilizer and another one is the inorganic fertilizer. Organic fertilizer are the natural fertilizers which are available or which are obtained from cow dung and dead decaying plants, animals or vegetables. Is it clear about the organic fertilizer? Okay. Next one, inorganic fertilizer. Inorganic fertilizers are man-made fertilizers which it is made by chemicals. These are urea, nitrate and sulfates. Okay. Is it clear about the organic and inorganic fertilizer? Okay. Inorganic fertilizers are generally made up of chemicals such as urea, nitrate and sulfate. These are made in fertilizer industries. And are harmful to environment. These are inorganic fertilizer containing chemicals. Chemicals are harmful for human beings and also it is harmful for environment. Okay. Farmer should properly irrigate the soil when required. Farmer should properly irrigate the soil. Farmer, once again. Farmer should properly irrigate the soil when required. Farmer should supply water to the plant in particular time. Okay, which time it is required, that time farmer should supply the water to the plant. They should use insecticides and pesticides to protect the crops from insects, pests, etc. They should use the insecticides. What is the means of insecticides? Insecticides means killing the bad insects. It is used to kill the insects, some small insects. Farmers should use the insecticides and pesticides to protect the crops from insects, pests, etc. Okay. However, overuse of pesticides and insecticides can be harmful to soil. Farmer use the insecticides and pesticides to kill insects in that particular field. Also, if farmer use more insecticides and pesticides, it harmful to soil and crops, and ultimately our health. It is not only harmful for soil, it is also harmful for crops and ultimately to our health. So it indirectly harmful for us only. Okay. Insecticides and pesticides containing chemicals. If farmer use more insecticides and pesticides, it is harmful for soil and crops. It is indirectly harmful for human beings. Okay. So more so farmer should use farmer should use the insecticide and pesticides limitly, not overuse of insecticide and pesticide. Is it clear? Okay. Crops should be cut properly and gathered. This is called harvesting. Farmer after harvesting, he should cut properly and gather it one side. Crops should be cut properly and gathered. This is called as harvesting. Okay. Now I stop the video here only. Tomorrow we shall continue about crop protection. Okay. Thank you.